Till now we did alif to qaf. Let's do the next 3 letters, that is kaf, lam, mim. Check out this playlist to learn the previous letters if you haven't already. So I just saw this comment. Do let me know in the comment section what language would you prefer, Urdu or English. I just can't change without asking everyone first. So pause the video and go type. It will take barely a minute. Please do help me to help you. Inshallah, I'll do the next videos accordingly. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to art.bimble, where I provide you with art related tips and tricks, some art stories to make your art journey easier. Happy learning with art.bimble. Starting with nuqtas. First we will do lam. After that we'll do kaf. So the first stroke for lam is going to be similar to alif, like you have to write alif basically with a zulf on top. Recall the previous tutorials how we did alif. How many vertical nuqtas were there? 7 to 8 vertically downward. Well, it can range from 4 to 8. You've done that before, I don't need to repeat it. The next stroke has 2 vertically down nuqtas and 5 horizontal nuqtas. It's nuqaat, whatever. This stroke is somewhat like this, actually like this, but you have to notice the curvature. This tail of lam goes towards the zulf and it forms a curve, like slant oval curve. Let's do it again. First make alif, then the second stroke is going to be 5 nuqtas or nuqaat. This is how we do it. Look at the curvature please. And these are 2 nuqtas down. This is the zulf. Oops, that's not how we do zulf. Somewhat like this. You know how to do it from previous videos. Moving on. We have kaf. First stroke is similar to alif, but I like making it more slant. And then it's 7 to 8 nuqtas vertically, just like alif. And then what we have to do, we have to make 1.5 nuqta vertical for the second stroke. And this is going to be 5 to 6 horizontal nuqtas. You can do even more. Look at this stroke now. There's not going to be that much dip. Remember what I'm doing? This stroke, it's ba. Then you put a hamza or ya with a long tail here and done. Check out the difference. Circular end curve for kaf and oval for L. And also there is a difference between the depths. Wait, did I just say L? No, it's lam, obviously. Anyway, we were talking about depths. In kaf, the depth is smaller, whereas in lam, the depth is more. The second stroke of lam is similar to the second stroke of noon, whereas the second stroke of kaf is similar to the second stroke of ba. Hope it's clear. Now let's do my favorite part without nuqtas. For lam, we'll do some other ways. Cute. Done. Then we have kaf. Tamam. Now we're moving on to mim, the next letter. There are two ways to write meme. For the first type, we'll do 1.5 nuqtas horizontal, then 1.5 nuqta vertical. We'll make a box. Remember waw, fa, qaf. We had 2 horizontal and 2 vertical nuqtas. So like the box was half a nuqta bigger. Now let's do the first stroke in both the cases. Compare and check the differences. The first one is straighten up, the second one is waven up. Matlab meme is straighten up, fa, waw, qaf is waven up. I hope it's clear. The next stroke is this. Can you see the difference in both the strokes? Well, for the first stroke, like for the waw, we have the tip basically extends, but in case of meme, the tip just stops right there. 1.5 nukta ke baad hi. Also, the second stroke in meme does not start from the end point of the last stroke. It's slightly lower. Do you understand that? I hope you do. Now the third stroke. It needs a bit of attention. This is what you do not have to do, and this is exactly what you have to do. We have to make a hill, not a slope. No slope, a hill, yes. Nice. Now it's almost 3 nuqtas down, and the length basically is around 5 to 6 nuqtas. Let's do this once again. For those who noticed, sorry for that bike ka आवाज़ की noise, whatever muzakkar monas it is, bike की आवाज़, खैर. Now without nuqtas. Yes, I did the second stroke first. I don't know, I like doing it. Makes things a bit easier. Yeah, let's keep the other part of meme for next time. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Till next time, fi amanillah.